The 20s, a decade often described as the prime of our lives, filled with laughter, friendships, and unforgettable moments. A time of vibrant energy and boundless potential. The world feels like an open book, with each day offering new opportunities and adventures. Yet it can also feel like standing at a crossroads, unsure of which path to take. The choices we make now can shape the rest of our lives, and that can be both exhilarating and daunting. How do we navigate these years with wisdom and grace, making choices that lead to a fulfilling life? It's a question that many of us grapple with, seeking guidance and clarity. Hello, and welcome to Mindful Traverse, your compass for navigating the profound depths of life. Here we delve into life's deeper questions, seeking to understand the complexities of our emotions and experiences. We believe that by exploring these questions, we can uncover insights that lead to a more fulfilling life. Today, we explore the landscape of our 20s, seeking to understand how to avoid common pitfalls and make the most of this defining decade. We'll discuss the importance of self-awareness, the value of meaningful connections, and the power of resilience. Join us as we embark on this journey of self-discovery and growth, aiming to turn our 20s into a foundation for a lifetime of fulfillment and joy. Our 20s are a time of self-discovery, a period where we begin to understand who we are and what we want from life. We are no longer bound by the rules of childhood, stepping out of the shadows of our parents and guardians. Yet we are still shaping our adult lives, navigating the complexities of new responsibilities and the pressures of societal expectations. It's a time when mistakes are inevitable but also valuable lessons in disguise. Each misstep teaches us something new, helping us grow stronger and wiser. Recognizing these pitfalls allows us to learn from them, transforming them into stepping stones for growth. Every challenge faced is an opportunity to build resilience and character. I remember my own 20s, a whirlwind of decisions and experiences. It was a time filled with both excitement and uncertainty. Looking back, I see missed opportunities and choices I wish I could revisit. There were moments of doubt and regret, but also moments of clarity and triumph. But these experiences, both good and bad, shaped me into the person I am today. They taught me the importance of perseverance, the value of friendships, and the significance of embracing both success and failure. As we move forward, it's essential to carry these lessons with us, using them to navigate the future with confidence and wisdom. Embracing tomorrow means acknowledging our past, learning from it, and continuing to grow. So let's cherish our journey, celebrate our milestones, and look forward to the endless possibilities that lie ahead. Our 20s are just the beginning of a lifelong adventure. Making sound decisions is crucial in our 20s. This is the time when we lay the groundwork for the rest of our lives. Every choice we make, no matter how small it may seem, has the potential to shape our future in significant ways. These choices, from career paths to relationships, lay the foundation for our future. It's important to consider not just the immediate benefits, but also the long-term implications of our decisions. Are we choosing a career that aligns with our passions and strengths? Are we building relationships that support and uplift us? Take your time. Reflect on your values. What are the principles that guide your life? What are the things that you hold most dear? By understanding your core values, you can make decisions that are true to who you are. What truly matters to you? Is it family, career, adventure, or perhaps personal growth? Identifying what is most important to you can help you prioritize your decisions and focus on what will bring you the most fulfillment. Imagine your life as a ship sailing across the ocean. The vast expanse of water represents the many possibilities and opportunities that lie ahead. Your values are the compass that guides your journey, helping you navigate through the uncertainties and challenges. Your values are the compass guiding your journey. They help you stay on course, even when the waters get rough. By staying true to your values, you can make decisions with confidence, knowing that you are heading in the right direction. By aligning your decisions with your values, you ensure that your ship is sailing in the right direction. This alignment brings a sense of purpose and clarity, making it easier to navigate through life's complexities. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. No journey is without its missteps. Each mistake is an opportunity to learn and grow. It's part of the learning process, and it's through these experiences that we become wiser and more resilient. It's part of the learning process. Embrace the challenges and setbacks as they come. They are not roadblocks, but rather stepping stones that help you build strength and character. The key is to learn from them and adjust your course accordingly. Just as a sailor adjusts the sails to catch the wind, you too can adjust your approach to stay on track. With each adjustment, you move closer to your goals and dreams, guided by the compass of your values. Our 20s are a time to cultivate meaningful relationships. Friendships deepen, romantic relationships blossom, and we learn to navigate the complexities of human connection. Surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. Like threads woven together to create a beautiful tapestry, each relationship adds color and texture to our lives. Nurture these connections. Be present in your interactions. Practice empathy and understanding. Remember, meaningful relationships are a two-way street, built on mutual respect and support. Our 20s are a time of immense personal growth. We are constantly learning, evolving, and discovering new facets of ourselves. Embrace this journey of self-discovery. Think of personal growth as a flower slowly blooming. It takes time, nourishment, and care to reach its full potential. Step outside your comfort zone. Try new things. Challenge your beliefs. The more you explore, the more you discover about yourself. And in that discovery, you blossom. How can we apply these insights to our daily lives? It starts with mindfulness, with being present in each moment. Start each day with intention. Take a few moments to reflect on your values. What kind of person do you want to be today? How can you align your actions with your aspirations? Throughout your day, practice mindfulness. Pay attention to your thoughts, feelings, and actions. Are they aligned with your values and goals? Small adjustments can lead to significant changes over time. As we conclude our exploration of navigating our 20s, remember that this is your unique journey. There's no right or wrong path, only the one you carve out for yourself. Embrace the ups and downs, the lessons learned, and the growth that comes with each passing day. What resonates with you most from today's discussion? What steps can you take to apply these insights to your own life? Thank you for sharing this time with us at Mindful Traverse. If today's journey stirred something within you, I invite you to join our community of thinkers by subscribing. Your thoughts and reflections enrich our collective exploration, so please leave a comment below. Let's continue the conversation together. Until our next journey, remember to embrace each moment with intention and curiosity, stay mindful and wander wisely.